This will be the elevator at Southwest Plaza, Littleton, Colorado. We got a KONE. It's an all-glass elevator, but half of it's covered up by this giant advertising wall and window. Oh, EcoDisc. Nice. Was not expecting that. Door close does not work. Here we go. Coming down? Come on in. No problem. Have a nice one.
Thank you again.
Of course. Oh, there's JCPenney. See all the ropes and stuff. Alright, we'll wrap it up here. That was finally my clearance. Security was standing by this thing for the longest time. It took me like 45 minutes to finally get a chance to get this thing.